I'm going to solve for you. I hope the second order homogeneous equation. Oh, you don't know it's homogeneous. Well, y prime plus 0y, y double prime plus 0y prime plus 36y equals 0. So there's my r of x, p of x, y prime plus q of x, y double prime. There we go. R of x is 0. 0, therefore homogeneous. There we go. And that's why. Standard form. All right, let's solve the characteristic equation. Lambda squared plus 0 times lambda plus 36 equals 0. Don't have to justify that, just solve the quadratic. It's going to be minus 0 plus or minus square root of 0 squared minus 4 times 1 times 36 all over 2 times 1. This is equal to the square root of 436 minus 128, if I'm not mistaken, over 2. 128 is, let's say, is that a perfect square or not? No, 121 is a perfect square. However, it factors. All right, shucks. Now I was wondering why that wasn't right. That's not 128. It's 144. There we go. So that's equal to I times square root of 144 over 2, which is equal to I times 12 over 2, which is equal to 6I. Okay. Now I'm better on that. I don't know why I got the wrong number there. Solve for the roots, and it's a, I guess we could say it's a plus or minus 6I. And so we're looking at complex conjugate. And so this one is going to be a pure oscillation with no real part. So that's kind of a special case of case 3. Identify the basis, e to the plus 6ix, e to the minus 6ix. That is a basis, or we really want to use the cosine 6x sine 6x as a basis. And by Euler, that's how we do that transformation. And you don't have to explain that on the test, just switch to that basis and then write the form of the general solution. We might say A cosine 6x plus B sine 6x. We could write it out as C1 e to the 6x plus C2 e to the minus 6xi, rather. But we don't like that. We want the real solutions. Basis. All right, take the first derivative of the general solution. So if we say that that's y of x, the derivative of that is going to be a times 6 times minus sine 6x plus b times 6 times cosine 6x. And now we're going to apply, not enough room there, y of 0 is equal to a times cosine 0 plus b times sine 0, which is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1 since this goes away. And then the next one, this ends up being the easy case. Y prime of 0, which again gives us as 1. That's going to be a times 6 times minus sine 0 plus b times 6 times cosine 0. And this is a 0, so we're looking at b is equal to, so if this is 1, b should be 1 over 6. And I think that's all the question asks for, so we're done.